students. Today I'd like to teach how to install VirtualBox and have Cloudera so that we can complete a big data experiments. This is as a part of big data analytics. First of all, today's experiment is installing virtual machine and setting up the Hadoop environment over there. We have to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu system. For this, go to terminal and we can do commands over there. Before installing VirtualBox, we have to update packages. So that after opening the terminal, give this command in Ubuntu sudo apt update. It is shown on the screen. Sudo apt update. Once you give this sudo apt update command then it asks you for a password. You need to give the password so that it starts updating all the sources required for it. Once this is done, then we can install VirtualBox. Next command is sudo apt install VirtualBox. This is the command to begin over there. Once giving this command, it starts downloading as well as installs VirtualBox in Ubuntu system. Ubuntu is the Linux flavor. So these are the links to download VirtualBox as well as Cloudera. First of all, we have to install VirtualBox. Once VirtualBox is installed, then we can go with Cloudera. So after giving the command sudo apt install VirtualBox, VirtualBox is installed. So now we can go with Cloudera. Download Cloudera software using this link shown on the screen. Once you download that Cloudera from my internet, that will be provided is a zip file, and we have to unzip or extract this file, and then we'll get the result which can be installed. For this purpose, we'll start virtual machine or a virtual box on Ubuntu, and then go to machine option and then select new. Let us see this practically. See, I have VirtualBox already started. In the terminal, if you type VirtualBox, then you will get this VirtualBox started over there. Once you have this VirtualBox, go to machines and then click on new. Before going here, I said you like we have to extract zip file Cloudera. This is Cloudera zip file, and we have to extract this. So right click over this file, extract all, gives you extracted file. This is my extracted file. So I have this already. Now start VirtualBox, go to machines and then new. Once you click on new, you will get this dialog box. I will show you this once again. Actually, I am working over Windows operating system. So I am going with the VirtualBox related to Windows operating system. This recording is done over Windows. So this might vary a little from Ubuntu to Windows. If it is Windows and you want to install VirtualBox, then you can go with the link given. I can show you that. In the PPT I have shown you that link. Once you click on the link, you will reach to this VirtualBox official page, and you can go with Windows, so that will be downloaded. Now I have already downloaded. I don't want to download this, so I have removed. If it is for Ubuntu, go to Linux. Now you have all supported versions for Ubuntu, Fedora, and all. Okay, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, everything. So whatever you want, you'll be able to download from here and then extract. After extracting, you can come over here. Now, I said you for no confusion, I'm starting from first. So after starting VirtualBox, go to Machine, New. Now give a name over here. So I have given Cloud Era, and select Linux. Either you pronounce Linux or Linux. Version Red Hat 64-bit Linux. This is what I just search for. Yes, Red Hat 64-bit. Select this Red Hat 64-bit and then click on Next. Here it asks for resources. We are starting a virtual machine is after having a physical machine, we are going to create a new virtual machine, new system, virtual machine. For this, it requires memory, processor, and all. So, memory is like primary memory. Whatever the memory you have, you can share it. I have 6 GB and I am sharing around 3 GB for it. And processor, you can opt 2 or 3, that is sufficient. However, in Ubuntu systems memory, you will be able to do only memory over there. You can process if it is allowed, and then you can do. You can share half of the memory so that both systems will be working together. So click on next, and then hard disk. See, for this, use an existing virtual hard disk file. Select this option, and then I am already selected, so I have installed, so it is showing like this. But for the first time, it doesn't show anything here. It shows empty. You need to click over this folder and then go to add, and then reach the place where you have downloaded that software. I made it into my softwares folder. So this is the Cloudera, and I need to select this file and open. So here, choose is available. Once I choose, we can complete this. Next, click next, and then finish. Once I click this, now you can see a new Cloudera is created. This is what I have created now. This is old one. Now once you have this machine, either you can click on start, or you can double click here on this icon so that it gets started. But for the first time when we click on this, it takes a little time to boot. So in order to reduce that, I have already started my machine, and I would like to show this point. So this is what I have already started, previous one. Once it is booted, it is very slow because my system has only 6 GB RAM. In our labs it is 16 GB RAM, so it works good over there. So this is how it looks once it boots with your Cloudera, and it might be somewhere like this. If you want it to be a big in screen, you can opt view screen, and then you can opt any of these sizes. Probably you will have this size 100%. So this will be somewhere like this, looking over there. Now once you have this virtual system, you can even shut down the system. Shutting down this system will completely shuts down Linux, and again when you start the device it boots and takes little more time. For my device it is too much time, around 5 minutes it is taking, so I'm not daring to shut it down now. And you have browser available over here in this Red Hat Linux. By default it opens, this is the page it opens. Now I would like to show you in the full screen. So this is the page with the information displayed regarding Cloudera. Getting started, analyze, manage. So you can go read all this information. Similarly, regarding Hadoop. Hadoop has daemons. Okay, these are all the daemons. First three daemons are data storage daemons, and next three are like process daemons. See, first three are name node, secondary name node, data node, all these related to storage. The next one is resource manager, node manager. So these are all the daemons. We can click on each page and read about each and every information over there so that we can get a little more information. Okay, so this is our first experiment. Once you are done, you can shut down the system by clicking over here, shut down option. But next time when I boot, it takes more time. So I am not doing that part. Instead, I am closing this here in Cloudera. I have close option. Once choosing close, we have save machine state. Save machine state. So opting this save machine state advantage is like next time it doesn't boot suddenly, it shows you as if the booting is completed. So it is fast. This process is fast for us. So I select and I recommend this save machine state. Click OK. This state will be saved. Now this is saving the state. Once this is done, Cloudera is closed. Now this is my virtual box and quitting it. So this is about first experiment. Next time when you want to open this Cloudera, you can opt like go for virtual box first of all, and then click on Cloudera, whatever you have installed with the name. Then see immediately it is loading very fast. And the same state what it was previously, that state will be reached very soon. Here it is showing a mouse interaction and a keyboard. Actually, whatever the mouse and keyboard available for our device, that will be using for the same virtual machine also. That is what it is displaying. So you can read it, no problem, and then close so that the screen will be big enough. For my system, I said you it is very slow because my RAM is making it a little big in size and views. See here we have full screen, but don't use that full screen option because that is not working perfectly. So we may face some problems using so. I would like to resize this window. It is taking too much time. I said like it takes around 5 minutes. So once this loads, you can be able to work over Cloudera.